Got another one. I bet it's another stupid catfish. Huh? Yeah, probably another stupid catfish if you ask me. Wait. That's another spot. Oh, no, wait. No, it's a croaker. Yes! That's the other one. Oh, my God. Woohoo! I got them both. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's making some croaking sounds. That's why it gets its name. Beautiful fish. Bon voyage.
If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description.
Species.